The Yugoslavian state firearms factory in Kragujevac has been known variously as Vojni Technički Zavod or, later, Zavodi Crvena Zastava. It is currently selling guns in the West as Zastava Arms. Formed to meet the needs of Serbia prior to the World War I, with assistance from Fabrik Nacional, this factory has made firearms ever since. Zastava Arms Factory modified the famous Soviet semi-automatic pistol Tokarev TT-33. Some modifications were made to the weapon, and the M57 model began to be produced. The handle was lengthened by one charge. The return spring was combined, and the magazine safety button and lining notch were enlarged, and a brake was added to brake the trigger when the magazine is removed, and the firing pin received a spring. The original TT-33 model was thus transformed into a very reliable pistol used by the army and police of the former Yugoslavia. Due to the extremely long firing pin, this gun is not recommended to be carried with a bullet in the barrel, because when it falls on the striker, it can be fired, even when the striker is in the lowered position, which is particularly dangerous due to the extremely penetrating charge. Nothing is even better when the batsman is left in the first gear, or completely tense. It is a single-action pistol chambered in 7.62 by 25mm Tokarev, often referred to as a fast and hard-hitting round. It's based on the 7.63 by 25mm Mauser round used in the C96 pistols. The round has ability to penetrate NIJ LVL-1 and 2A body armor. Anything higher will stop this round. It's a short recoil operated similar to the FN 1903. It also uses the Browning tilting barrel system. The larger 9-round magazine of the M57 makes it incompatible with standard 8-round Tokarev magazines. Originally, the pistol has no manual safeties except for a half-cock notch on the hammer. The Zastava M57 pistol was the standard sidearm of the Yugoslav Army from 1957 to the country's collapse in 1992, produced by Zastava Arms. Many surplus M57 handguns were imported for sale in other countries and subsequently modified to fit their import requirements, and have become frequent collector's items due to their low price and historical value. As of 2022, Zastava still produces modern reproductions of the M57 with updated safety features, the M57A in its original chambering, and the M65A in 9mm Parabellum. Yugoslavian Army surplus M57 were imported to the USA in large numbers by many companies, such as Century International Arms and KVAR Fine, and have become common collector's items. Due to BAF import restrictions, poor quality frame or trigger safeties were frequently fitted to surplus models imported to the United States.